Leakages from terraces are a very common problem in India. Extreme temperature variations throughout the year result in hairline cracks in the screed or brickbat cover. Due to this, during heavy rains, water finds many pathways through the concrete slab into the flat below. If the quality of work during construction is not good, the problem becomes even more acute. Terraces that have a high level of activity, a terrace garden, a terrace swimming pool, or a terrace parking facility, and very aged roofs requiring re-roofing must necessarily have a waterproof specification that is tough, can take a lot of stress, is highly durable, and yet offers a watertight treatment. Dr. Fixit has an excellent solution to stop leakages from such terraces. Dr. Fixit Torch Shield, a range of bitumen-based, polymer-modified, heavy-duty waterproof membranes that have been successfully used in the extremely harsh weather conditions of India as well as the Middle East and Far East. The Torch Shield range of waterproofing membranes are manufactured from rich bitumen and select polymers blended together to obtain excellent heat resistance and cold temperature flexibility. This polymer-modified bitumen is then coated onto a dimensionally stable non-woven polyester or fiberglass carrier. Torch Shield's jointless membrane provides a heavy-duty, watertight system which has high tensile strength, tear resistance and puncture resistance. Torch Shield can take thermal and structural stresses effectively, thus giving you a long-life, durable membrane.
Torch Shield seems to be an excellent product for waterproofing of roofs with high level of activity. But tell me, can this be used for other waterproofing requirements as well?
Well, Torch Shield is extremely suitable for waterproof treatment and protection of below-the-ground concrete used for basements, foundations, and retaining walls, as well as for bridges and tunnels. Let us see how to fix Torch Shield on a flat RCC roof. The application surface should be cleaned to remove all loose material. Apply a coat of Dr. Fixit Torch Shield Primer, undiluted. There should be no gaps or areas of incomplete coverage. Allow this to dry for 4 to 6 hours. Unroll a roll of Dr. Fixit Torch Shield. The application of Torch Shield must be started from the lower end of the slope of the terrace, that is the drain end, and proceed towards the higher end. Align this roll correctly in the application area. Now re-roll half the roll of Torch Shield from one end in alignment. Be careful that the alignment does not shift. Use a gas torch to heat the substrate and the underside of Torch Shield till it softens and the embossing on it disappears. Now unroll the roll of Torch Shield forward. Press it firmly against the substrate to bond it from the lower end towards the higher end. Similarly, re-roll the other half of the Torch Shield roll from the other end in alignment. Heat it and bond it with the substrate. In a similar manner, fix the next roll of Torch Shield. Keep an overlap margin of at least 100 mm. Heat both the overlaps. Use a round tip trowel to seal the overlap. The bleach should be smoothened and pressed into the seam using a hot trowel. For the drains and grooves, take extra care to seal the edges well. Apply Dr. Fixit Torch Shield on the vertical surfaces like the parapet wall, at least up to the vata. All vertical surfaces, angles and abutments upstands should be sealed with extra care to ensure perfect bonding. Let us summarize the application method. First, clean the surface. Next, apply a single coat of Dr. Fixit Torch Shield Primer undiluted. Allow it to dry for 3 to 4 hours. Unroll a roll of Torch Shield. The application must be started from the lower end of the terrace slope. Align this roll correctly. Now re-roll half the roll of Torch Shield from one end in alignment. Use a gas torch to heat the substrate and the underside of torch shield till it softens and the embossing on it disappears. Unroll the roll forward and press it firmly to bond it. Re-roll the other half of the torch shield roll from the other end and fix it. Similarly, fix the next roll of torch shield. Keep an overlap margin of at least 100 mm. Seal the overlap and smoothen the bleed. Take extra care to seal the edges of the drains and grooves. Vertical surfaces like the parapet wall should be sealed at least up to the vata.
Torch Shield looks easy to apply, but are there any points that I should be careful about during application?
Nitin, just a few simple precautions will ensure that Dr. Fixit Torch Shield gives service for a long time. Ensure that the moisture content in the substrate is less than 8%. Do not overheat the torch shield membrane. That is, avoid heating it to the point where it starts smoking. The overlap between two adjacent layers of torch shield should be at least 100 mm. On the edges of overlaps, the bleeding should be at least 10 to 15 mm and should be finished with a hot towel. Use of a solvent bitumen-based primer is a must. For best results, use the Dr. Fixit Torch Shield Primer. Torch shield rolls should always be stacked vertically. Also, all torch shield rolls should not be kept together at one place. They should be placed in a staggered manner to avoid point load on roofs. While using the torch near electrical cables, gas pipelines or other service lines, take all the normal precautions. Do not keep the flame torch on the applied torch shield surface. Always use safety gear such as gumboots, gloves and safety glasses while applying torch shield.
Is Torch Shield resistant to UV?
No. That is why after application of Dr. Fixit Torch Shield, all non-foot traffic areas should be finished with aluminium paint for UV protection.
And what about foot traffic areas? Can people walk on it?
Torch Shield can take foot traffic.
Can I use Torch Shield on top of an existing bituminous filth?
No. The old bitumen treatment must be completely removed to ensure proper adhesion.
I read in your literature that there are two varieties of Torch Shield. That is SBS modified and APP modified. What is the difference?
The application method and the areas of usage are the same for both, with just one difference. Use SBS modified torch shield for areas with climatic temperature less than 5 degrees Celsius. APP modified torch shield should be used for areas with climatic temperature above 5 degrees Celsius.
Everybody must be asking you the same question. Does Torch Shield cost more than the other waterproofing methods?
Well, Nitin, everyone does ask me this question. The cost of Torch Shield is at par with other similar membranes. It is also comparable with similar waterproofing systems.
Okay, that sounds good.
Well then, Nitin, are you now fully convinced about using Torch Shield?
Absolutely, sir. And I will recommend it to my contractor friends as well.
Well, thank you, Nitin, very much for supporting Dr. Fixit Torch Shield. Remember, Dr. Fixit Torch Shield. An excellent product for waterproofing and protection of roofs, below the ground concrete, bridges and tunnels.